Hey guys, if you're running a team or starting a business, you'll need a reliable HR platform to handle payroll, benefits, and compliance. Today, we're comparing Gusto, Rippling, and Justworks, three of the top tools in 2025. Let's break them down. Gusto is best for small businesses and startups. It is super intuitive interface. It handles payroll, benefits, and employee onboarding easily. It is also affordable pricing and has a great support. Now, let's talk about Rippling. This one is powerful. It combines HR with IT so you can manage payroll, benefits, and employee devices or software access in one place. It is great for fast-growing companies and remote teams. The setup takes time, but it gives total control. Now, let's talk about Justworks. Justworks is different. It is PEO or Professional Employer Organization. That means it becomes a co-employer and handles taxes, benefits, and compliance. Basically, your HR headaches are gone. This is ideal for businesses that want to outsource most HR tasks. So here's a quick guide. Choose Gusto if for easy, affordable HR tools. Go with Rippling if you're scaling and want control over IT and HR. And pick JustWorks if you want a full service HR partner with minimal admin work.